वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. To spread prosperity, Lord Ganesha is very soon going to come into our homes. So we need to prepare our homes for that. Let us prepare some very easy decorations. You can also take help from your children. They can also do these decorations very easily. We will prepare the decorations with very readily available items in our houses like chart papers and kitchen towel rolls. So let's get started with the decorations. First, we'll make this flower and leaf. Watch the video carefully and follow the process. I have not given any measurements because these will solely depend upon how big you want to make the decoration. So watch the video carefully and enjoy the process of making. We will make flowers and leaves and keep them aside, and then we will start making the arch. For that we are taking old magazine papers or old books papers, or even you can take newspapers. Follow the process here also carefully. Here I am giving a base coat as black. If you wish, you can also take base coat as white color. Just for the decoration to stand on its own, we will fill the kitchen towel roll with used papers. You can also fill it with old newspapers. Here I am using leaf green. As shown, you can also take sap green color, whichever you want, and then paint these sticks of newspapers with green. This will give it as a bamboo look. And generally when we do pujas, we use banana stems. So the kitchen towel roll is also painted with green color. We are using a sponge to dab here so that it gives it a rough look and it looks as if we are using a banana stem. Then we will stick the flowers and leaves onto this arch. Now I'll stick some mirrors in the flowers. You can also use any sequins or even pom-poms for the decoration. I have kept this decoration very simple and very minimal, but you can use your own creativity and decorate it as per your choice. I just gave it a look of natural things like bamboo, banana stem, flowers and leaves, but you can also use any other artificially prepared decorations like sequin strings or anything else. And here is your very simple, very elegant, natural looking Ganesh Chaturthi decoration ready. May Lord Ganesha bless everyone and take away all the sorrows and problems from everyone's lives. Ganpati Bappa Moria! If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And for other DIY videos, please do go back to my channel and watch my other videos too. If you like them, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, Ganpati Bappa Moria! Mangal Murti Moria! Thank you friends. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.